Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your personal information to the Hurb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Account button down below, which is the third button. Then click on Personal Information, and after that you should type in your first name and last name. Then your country should be selected and your birthday. After that you should select your gender, type in your email address, phone number, and here you can turn on this I want to receive updates of my orders by WhatsApp feature, and if you are done you can tap on the Save Changes button down below in order to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.